Hey, what's up, man? What's going on? Yeah, we back at it again. Something quick, you know. You can stick me with all the bags. What's this? Ooh, baby, okay. We twerking with something in here, yeah. Well, we had the Borgata up here in Atlantic City, you know what I'm saying? Got us a Grand King. Got us a couch, king size bed, you know what I'm saying? Find me a place to set my stuff down, holler at y'all for a minute, you know what I mean? Just a quick little drive, 3 hours away, it wasn't nothing. Got all this stuff on my back, you know, we travel heavy, you feel me? When I mean heavy, we got all kinds, I ain't gonna show you that, come on. What else we got? We got the TV, Frigidaire, you know, keep them drinks cold, some drawers. I don't know if y'all, you know, my cousins, y'all people, y'all don't use no drawers. Y'all don't unpack. You just lay a suitcase on the floor and live out of that motherfucker. Got a closet, you know what I'm saying, full-size mirror. Got my comfortable clothes on. I had to do all the driving, you know what I'm saying? Nice little bathroom. Turn the lights on here so we can see. I like this setup. This is a nice setup in here. Yeah. Got this walk-in shower. Sheesh. There's a lot of room in this joint. You feel me? Man, you come in here and get your thoughts together. You know what I'm saying? Just let the water hit you. Relax a little bit. Just something slight. You know, we ain't making too much noise. And you know my favorite saying, baby. Got to tuck the boo-boo away, man. Shut that door. You know what I'm saying? This is where we at for the weekend. Just chilling. You know how it is. Me and TC rolling in these streets, baby. Holla.